I'm a serial kisser. All my exes, they used to die for my kiss. Okay? If you think drugs are addictive, you haven't tried my kiss. Okay? So try it and let me know whether drugs or my kiss, which one is dangerous. Hi friends, Salam, Namaste, Vanakkam, Adab, and welcome to Prakish Talks. This is your Praveen Kishore. So let's start today's episode. In today's episode, we will talk about dating, flirting, those kind of things. Nowadays, everything and everyone became so fast. Like see, earlier when you want to propose someone, like you have to do a lot of hard work. You have to write letters, or you have to send someone, or you have to send message or something like that. Now, when is the last time you said I love you to someone? Me, I don't remember. It's maybe ages. Now it's very fast. We have Facebook, dating apps, and a lot of apps. Like see, if we see someone, we say hi, let's catch up for lunch, dinner, drinks, or coffee, and we'll meet, and everything happens next. So in this fast generation also, there are few people, like I've seen some people, like they don't know how to chat or how to start a conversation or how to flirt. For example, I have seen some people, like whenever they're sending a message to some girls, they used to say, hi, you are looking beautiful, you are looking like an angel, send nudes. Abe haule, if you want nudes, you can go to Google and download it, or you can see in porn, right? How do you think they will send nudes in your first conversation or like that? Okay, here you need to maintain a trust. First, they should understand you, or they should understand why to trust you, why to trust sending their personal information or pics or any kind of information. So here you need to maintain that trust, that rapport. So in my episode, I am giving you few dating tips or dating guide, or you can call me, it's my dating resume. See, first you should understand why should someone date you. There are crores of people, okay? In all over world, there are more than 500 crores of girls, okay? And why do you think they should date you? And these tips are applicable to both guys and girls, okay? Just follow these tips, and definitely if you want to chat with someone, if you want to flirt with someone, if you want to have a relationship with them, definitely it will help. Okay, let's start. So for example, if I am there and I would like someone to date me, okay, then here my dating resume. Why should you date me? Okay, you are a girl, I'm a guy, so you should understand me. Why should you date me? Okay, so one, I am a good listener and talkative. I'm a very good listener. You can talk with me hours and hours and I can patiently hear you. Okay, your sadness, your happiness, your craziness, everything, I will be with you. See, when you are with me, you will be like you. Okay, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to talk, I will be with you. You don't need to pretend like some other. Okay, you don't need to think like what this guy will think if I say this, if I talk this, like that. I'm a very broad-minded person. You can talk with me anything, anytime, and I'm very good talkative. I can talk hours and hours on any subject: movies, music, traveling, photography, food, everything. Okay, and I have good sense of humor. Don't believe? I recently started a stand-up comedy. Okay, you can check the link so you can understand how good I am at humor. Obviously, everyone likes jokes, right? When you are with someone, if someone makes you laugh, obviously everyone will like it. It either guys or girls. Okay, so I'm very good at it. I can make you laugh. I can tingle you. It's all other a different version. Okay, when you are with me, you will live the moment. And next, obviously I have another skill, cooking. I'm a very good chef. veg, non-veg, breakfast, snacks, continental. I can prepare lots of dishes. Don't believe? That too, I have a channel, Spicy Delights. You can check the channel link here. Obviously, every girl likes to have good food. When you are meeting with someone, okay, when you went to their house, when someone prepared you good food, delicious food, tasty food, what will you do? Obviously, you will fall in with them, right? You will look again to meet them whenever you got the chance. So, it's my another skill. And I'm very good at photography. Obviously, every girl likes to get their pics click good, right? So I know in which angle you look good, in which position you look good, in which dress you look good, in which scenario you look good. So I'm very good at photography. If we go to a vacation, I will click thousands of pics. Not even hundreds, thousands of pics. I only suggest you where you look good, in which position you look good, is all things. Obviously, you will like it, right? And I'm a fashionista. Obviously, I did fashion designing for some time, so I know which dress looks good on you, which color looks good on you, okay, which accessories good on you, like earrings or anything, everything. All my exes earlier, they used to take me while they are going for shopping to search for them. Obviously, they found me right. Obviously, it's a good choice for them. All my exes want me back. You know, I don't have an ex who never want me back. So I'm good at it. And I'm very good at like movies, singing, almost. I'm a good author. I'm a good stand-up comedian. I'm a good storyteller. I'm a poet. It depends. When whichever you are in mood, I can be like that. I'm a good role player also. If you want me a teacher, I'm that. If you want me a doctor, comedian, actor, lawyer, or anything, I'm very good at role play. You know, right? What is role play? I'm that much crazy. And also I'm very crazy type. You know, I've done lots of crazy things. I don't want to do things in normal way. I always look for adventurous. If you think you are crazy, you should try me. Then you have to say how crazy you are. Obviously, the answer is I'm crazier than the craziest. Like life is simple, okay? Life is short. We have to do lots of crazy things. So I'm good at it. And also, I'm a serial kisser. All my exes, they used to die for my kiss, okay? If you think drugs are addictive, you haven't tried my kiss, okay? So try it and let me know whether drugs or my kiss, which one is dangerous. And my hands, you know, my hands are very smooth, okay, and my fingers very long, okay. So you got the point, right? I have that skill. When I do massage or anything, you will feel it like heaven. And romance. Obviously, in that subject, I am dean of the university. You just got an admission. Hope you understood, right? And also, I said broad manner, right? Like whenever you are in a relationship with me, if you want to break up or anything, I'll be like, cool. Okay, if you want to break up, I will say okay. I don't harass you or like keep on calling you like that. If you want to break up, we'll just have a cool breakup. And also, like, my nature is I respect everyone equally. I don't care about your religion, caste, creed, whether you are a gay, lesbian, rich, poor. If you respect me, I respect you. That's my mindset. And obviously, I'm 6 feet height and somewhat good personality and somewhat good looking, right? At least average. And one more thing is like, it smells good. It's not me saying, all my exes used to say. Whenever I want to wear a perfume or deodorant, they used to restrict me. They used to say, you smell good naturally. Of course, If I don't bath for 1 week also, they used to say like that because of love of me. Yeah. And I don't believe in years or months. I believe in moments. If we are in a relationship, okay, I doesn't care like we are staying for 1 year or 1 month or 1 day or many years. I like to be having best moments in our life. Whenever we both are there in relationship, it may be a 1 day, it may be 1 hour, it may be 1 week, 1 month. It should be the best days in our life. Whenever we are thinking about something craziness or something interesting, those moments should appear, okay, in our minds. We all should have moments, right? Life is very short. You don't know when you will die, okay? But before that, you should live the life. You should have memories. That is the best quality. When you are with me, you have loads of memories and moments, which you will think and carry all after your life. All my exes used to say that. It may be few days or months. They used to enjoy a lot. Whenever we met, they used to say that. It's the best memorable moments in our life. So obviously, I do think like that. Whenever we are in a relationship, I don't make it boring. Whenever it feels boring, then obviously we can say bye-bye, tata. Why to prolong, right? You're not wife and husbands. We just want some beautiful moments in our life. So we can have those moments in our life. So friends, this is my dating resume, or you can call it dating guide, flirting guide, or anything. Okay. Whenever you want to impress someone, you should know why should they date you. Okay. Why should they want to date you? What is that specialty in you? Okay. There are crores of people here. Why should someone want to meet you or want to have a relationship with you? What is it you can offer? Okay. If both your frequencies are matched, then only you will have a fruitful relationship. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Okay. Not every time you can't hide yourself and you can pretend be other person. Okay. Just be yourself and try to find the same person, same minded person. For example, if me, I will find almost crazier to me. See, I will not look for any boring type or normal type. Okay. I will look for a crazy type. I will say we want to do lots of adventures. Okay. Who is interested in adventures, traveling, almost all these things. That same mindedness will have a fruitful relationship. So friends, hope you all enjoyed my video. If you have anything in your mind, just keep it in comments so that I will try to make much more entertaining videos. Thank you. Until then, this is your Praveen signing off. Bye bye.